Well, we have reached the end of the Storytelling in Science Writing module. We have learned that scientific articles are structured similar to a story, that using the and but therefore structure can create an engaging narrative, that log lines can identify the single focus of your scientific articles, and that storyboarding can help with structuring your writing. Before I go, I want to leave you with some closing thoughts. These techniques, and storytelling in general, are not just useful for writing scientific articles or theses. You can use storytelling in your posters, your presentations, any grant or scholarship applications, and in elevator pitches. For anyone who doesn't know, elevator pitches are a short summary of your research that you might say to another colleague that you have just met. They are called elevator pitches because the idea is that you enter an elevator with an important researcher in your discipline. They ask you what research you do. You have the time it takes to get to the floor you are both going to, 2 minutes, to tell them about your research. The and but therefore and logline techniques are perfect for an elevator pitch because they force you to summarize your research in an engaging way. With these final thoughts, I wish you all the best for using storytelling in your science writing.